yesterday when everything felt possible, and we danced without fear beneath velvet sky. September brought the change we didn't expect. Velvet rain on our skin, washing away regret. You were standing there with that knowing smile, and suddenly forever didn't feel like too much. We talked until the rain forgot to fall, about dreams written on pages we never read, about futures that felt like home. In the softness of that moment, I found something real and true. The world became just us and rain. Everything felt brand new. Velvet rain in September night, holding you felt so right. Soft and warm and burning deep, memories will always keep. Velvet rain keeps falling still on my heart and all my will, dancing in that gentle storm, keeping all our love so warm. Time moved differently back then, each heartbeat a lifetime of meaning. We were infinite beneath that, the velvet sky, never thinking that September would end, that the rain would fade and leave us changed. But you stayed present in my soul, that velvet softness never truly gone. Now I chase that feeling through the years, searching for that velvet rain, that September night of everything. Sometimes I close my eyes and feel it again, your hand in mine beneath the gentle storm, reminding me that some moments live forever. Velvet rain in September night, holding you felt so right. Soft and warm and burning deep, memories will always keep. Velvet rain keeps falling still on my heart and all my will. When the world grows cold and hard, I remember that velvet place where September rain and love combine to create something sacred and true. Velvet rain, September rain, falling softly on my brain. Velvet rain, you remain